Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we'll be doing a quick look at Calendly and how you can get started with using Calendly as your appointment scheduler and so much more. So let's get into it now. What exactly does Calendly entail and what can you get really out of this platform? Well, you can create your online booking and scheduling system. You can also create team booking as well as group integration. You can create group meetings as well. You can basically manage your entire appointment system and booking system will Calendly, and you also have some integration that enable you to sync this with your Google Calendar as well as embed it into online places like Zoom or Microsoft. Even you can use Microsoft Teams integration as well. Let's get using Calendly. Now, to get started, all you have to do is head on over to Calendly.com, and once you're on Calendly.com, just click on Get Started on the top right over there, and once you do it, you just enter your email address to get started already, or you can just sign up with your Google account or with your Microsoft. So I'm just going to continue with my Google account. Let's get started into the basic interface of Calendly. So as you can see, there's already a template, so we can just click on it and delete it. So basic interface of Calendly, so this is what Calendly is going to look like. On your top right, you're going to have your account settings right here. As you can see, there's a assistant to help us with Calendly already, so maybe you don't need this, but if you're new, you can just go all over there and click on here until it's finished, as you can see. So we don't need this again, so just over there, click exit. And here on your top right, you're going to have your account settings. If you click on it, then you will find your name. This is going to be your business name, so you can change it to whatever you want. Just as you can see over there, profile. I'm going to change it maybe, but if you want to change it, you can just go over there and just fill your new changed name. Also, you can upload your picture. Also, you have your welcome message. So welcome to my scheduling page, please follow and the instructions to add an event to my calendar. You can also choose your language. As you can see, there's a few of them, the most popular. Also date format, time format, country, time zone. Then just click, when you finish it, just click Save Changes. Now, after that, you have a branding section as well. So over there, click here. You can add your logo image. You can also add it all users in your organization. Obviously, people can now book with multiple different people over here as well. So you also have those options. Then you have your calendar connection. Over here, your calendar sync. Now we can sync this with any of your pre-existing calendars. If you want to do it with your Google account, you can also click on Add Calendar Account, and we can just go on ahead and upgrade our program. And you can, just integrate with multiple different calendars, but I don't need to upgrade right now. And then if I go onto my home section over here, just click back home. You guys will see your event types, your schedules, events, whatever you want upcoming. Then you have a workflow, and for workflows, you do have to upgrade to a premium version of Calendly. And then you have routing, or routing, whatever you might want to call it, is also, so it's just telling about routing, and it's a premium feature which allows you to set up for questions and logic invites as well. Now let's get started with creating a basic event. So if you click on event here, create, just back here to our event types. And when you're trying to create an event, as you can see, there's different types of events. There's 3 basic types. First off, you have a meeting pool, which can help you in analyzing the overall availability. If you want to do a group meeting and you can, do multiple different options over here, then you have a one-off meeting or event type. Now, if you're doing bookings on this, you definitely want to use event type, and then you can do a one-off meeting or meeting post with people that are fellow members of your business that you want to hold meetings with. Now let's create an event type, and then within event types you have multiple different types. So you have one-on-one. Click first one, event types, and you have one-on-one. Also you have groups, collective, round robin, and we want to do one-on-one, and we can just host. You can just pick and choose different ones. So let's go with our, click next. And as you can see, we can give a name for our event. Also, we can just choose and set a color for different ones. For example, you can just choose red, or maybe not too important. For example, maybe this one. So we're going with red. And also you can set your duration right here. You can also customize, for example, 12 minutes. Also you can choose your location, whether it will be Zoom, phone call, in-person meeting. Also there's a lot of different ones. You can just integrate Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, WebEx, GoToMeeting, and all different things. Also, you can just use customized one. Just pass your link here, for example, and you will just click here, update. So we're just going with maybe Zoom. Also, if you're choosing Zoom, you need to just go and visit the Zoom integration page and set it, maybe phone call. Also you can just choose between 2 options. You will call an invite, you will call, and your invite should call you, maybe this one. And now when we did all important steps, just click continue, and that's it. You just did it. You just made your first event in Calendly. Also, you can see there is a lot of hints, a lot of tips. Also, we can just reschedule here. You can just set your host, invitees, communications, booking page options, scheduling settings. As you can see, there's a calendar. You can just set it up here, choose time. Also, there's a very useful link with live page, and you can see your meeting. Also here you can just share it, click on it, and you can copy your link. and send to your invitees. Also, you can add times to emails. You can add embedded to your own maybe personal website. For example, inline embed, pop-up widget, pop-up text. But we're going to use only link. Just copy and send in your work chat or to your work email, business email, whatever you need for it. So let's just click done and let's just go to our main page in Calendly. As you can see, there's already our event that we just created before. And as you can see, there's a lot of different things going on here. There's analytics. You can just see your data, big data that Calendly is counting on you. So also there is admin center, and you can just integrate a lot of different things. You can work with your users. You can set up groups. Also, there's billing for organizations. As you can see, there's plans, pricing. You can go with standard teams, or if you are a big company or enterprise, you can just contact sales. As you can see, that's important that you can use Calendly for free, but there is a lot of premium features and premium things that is really cool. For example, but if you're interested, you can just start by going by standard plan, and you'll be able to try a lot of functions. And also there's a really helpful widget, chat with them. You can just ask any questions that are you struggling with, and you can chat with their supports. And I hope, guys, that's it. You just need to go and try it, and if it was helpful, don't forget to share, hit the like button, leave a comment, and see you in the next tutorials.